Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable incoming payments on Monzo. The good news is you don't need to enable anything. Your Monzo account is already ready to receive payments. Here's what you do. First, open your Monzo app and go to your home screen. Tap the three dots on your Monzo card. Then tap Manage Account. Here, you'll see your account number and sort code. These are the details you share with anyone sending you money in the UK. If someone is sending you money internationally, go back to the same screen, tap Add Money, then scroll down to International Bank Transfer. Your IBAN will be shown there. And that's it. That's how to enable incoming payments on Monzo. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.